Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check your charging history in the Ionity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then just look for the charging history button and click on that. And as you can see, if you had any charging sessions, it will appear here and you can just keep the track on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.